come in.
No, good morning.
Morning. How are you?
I'm fine. I wanted to go to your office, but I said let me come and check in the house.
I don't sleep at night. I'm restless. I want to know. Am I okay? I don't know. Dog, I don't know myself. Please. I've been wanted to go to your office, even to... I want to know. I have been visiting the even native doctor, even shrine, so many places for a solution, but no way. I don't know what to do again.
Okay, you're welcome. You see, you have been suffering from emotional shock from what your girlfriends are saying. And you are stressed. And you are very, very busy in your hunting. So you have no time to... But that one will be okay. And you know, when breaking the commandment of Almighty God, the chastisement may come in many ways. You know that? Yeah. You had people saying you have a small dick, you have big dick, you can last a minute, you can last 1 hour or 2 hours. Those things are mere stories. No matter how small your dick is.
Like my own?
Yes. It doesn't matter. No matter how many minutes or seconds, what is important is the sperm count.
Doc, are you serious?
Yes. You can see your result is perfectly okay. Here is your result.
So Doc, I'm okay.
Yes.
Hi.
You don't need to worry yourself or keep sleepless nights. What you need to do now is to look for a wife. You see those girls? Those girls, they are not your wife. They are not your wife. When you meet a woman or a girl that is your wife, she will remain with you. When you get married,
yes,
concentrate, be prayerful.
Yes, Doc.
Yes, Doc. And you will see that you will smile. Forget about what they are saying on the social media, that you have big this, you have small that, you do alignment of this, forget all those things. All those things, they have after effect. Understand?
Yes, Doc.
So you don't need to worry yourself.
Doc, thank you so much. God bless you, thank you.
Okay. So, we'll be going.
Maybe
I'm going to my office.
Please, you have to drop me. Please, let me follow you. I'm going to the same direction.
Okay.
Thank you so much. God, thank you.